Pakuranga College is changing from the old PacNet, Ultranet to Moodle next year. First question is, why would we want to change? There's a couple of answers to that. One reason is that Ultranet is on kind of a small scale. The users are down here in this quite small part of the world, as Moodle has many more users in very large institutions, very well-resourced institutions as well. So there's an awful lot of developers out there, there's an awful lot of users out there. There's a wide community of people using and developing Moodle. Also, of course, next year we've got bring your own device at Pakuranga College. We need the best tool for the job, and looking at Moodle, it's much more adaptable and much more powerful than Ultranet, and has got much greater potential for the future. The downside is the user interface is not very well designed at times. This is the dialogue for choosing an image, and it's not very pretty. Um, but you kind of learn to get over that. So PacNet versus Moodle. Well, PacNet has got the same functionality as the old. Moodle has the same functionality as PacNet. You can still upload resources. You can put tasks and assignments and have wikis and forums. It's got other stuff as well, though, so it's kind of a win in that respect. One of the major things, of course, is this wide community of developers. It's got other modules that can be just plugged in uh, and can have some really fantastic functionality. Just a few questions. Yeah, it's another change of LMS. We've had a couple. This one's going to stick though. We've got such a uh, wide variety of people involved in this. I think we're going to stay with Moodle for quite a long time. And if we do change, all of our data can be transferred anyway. The classes that we currently have in PacNet, that's not going to happen in Moodle. You just get, if you need a page for your class, you get a page created for you. And the students then have to manually enroll rather than having automatic enrollments, which makes life actually a lot easier. It sounds less advanced, but actually the students enroll very quickly and easily, and you don't have that tiresome business of waiting for someone to enroll the new students to your courses. And you will not lose anything at the start of each year. All courses have to be manually created and deleted, so it makes life a lot easier in that respect. So the PD for Moodle in the short term, we're not going to have any click along with me workshops. They're they tend not to have a long-term effect that's very beneficent, and also they breed a bit of a dependency culture. Instead, we're going to have these faculty-based sessions this term. The learning is going to be self-directed. You find the resources that help you for what you want to do right now, and if you're stuck, you ask someone sitting next to you. Everything is right there with you. So we're going to have these 3 faculty-based PLG sessions starting today. You're going to, in your faculties, have this introduction, talk about the organization of the LMS within the faculty, who does what your pages look like, that kind of stuff, and start working on the basic skills of um, creating Moodle resources. Yeah. So next week we'll carry on with that, and we'll aim to get the bare bones of your pages in place ready for next year. Which means, of course, you'll need to move stuff across from the old PacNet quite likely. Bear in mind the old PacNet will be gone at the start of 2012. We're not licensed for next year. We don't expect it to be around. So anything you're going to grab, you need to grab it now. Then in week 5, we're going to have a share session within faculties where you'll be able to share what you've done and be able to look at what other people have done. And we'll be doing a bit of reflection on Moodle AFL, that kind of thing. And then carry on doing the learning, the self-directed learning of whatever suits you right now. So immediately today, you're going to discuss that organization, work on a course for next year, which could be a core course for a subject, or could be a class page that you know you're going to be having the next year. And the skills you're going to learn are how to access your own page, how to turn editing on, add text, and upload resources. In the medium term, you're trying to get everything pretty much set up, get your topics in place, learn how to add images and your other Moodle skills, the Moodle tools that are going to support our pedagogy. Now, to learn these things on Moodle itself, there's a page devoted to getting you going with the things that you need right now. So there's quite a lot there. There's videos, there's quizzes, there's all sorts. It's the best place to start, quite frankly. There's, of course, because we've got this large worldwide Moodle community, there are many resources out there. On YouTube, there's goodness knows how many tutorials on Moodle. There's the official Moodle documentation, which is very thorough. You can Google it, of course. So your next step is to find your own page. It might need to be created by someone within your faculty. You'll be talking about that right now. Find the Moodle learning resources that I've just been talking about. Go to moodle.pakuranga.school.nz. Find the Moodle Basics category, and then go to the Pakuranga Moodle course for teachers. And the last word, if you're trying to upload a file and something's going wrong, it's not behaving as it should do, it's because you didn't click choose in this dialog box. It's the number one thing that goes wrong. It's a real barrier. So if you're having any trouble with uploading file, it's because you didn't click choose.